This is Yogeshkumar. I welcome you all to my lecture on Cisco CCNA Information Technology. CCNA commands. There are two modes, user mode and privilege mode. To enter into from user mode to privilege mode, you have to type enable or simply en, and again back to user mode. You have to type disable. There are three options. On router, you have to type enable to get into configuration mode. There are three options. First is terminal, uh, network, and memory. All memory stored in terminal goes to RAM, random access memory. In network, all memory goes to TFTP machine. And in memory, all memory goes to an NV RAM. To set host name, you have to type host name, example London. I'll give you more information later. Thanking you.